misuse the platform, we will embarrass you. And we don't want to go there. If you misuse the platform, tutakuembarrass. We don't want to go there. So, alafu baadaye, we will discuss the way forward. Going forward, I have said every year, tutakuwa na kikao kama hiki. But in between, we need a smaller group. And I don't know whether I will ask for ideas, how we get a smaller group, which I can be giving an appointment every 90 days. Okay? Of what we have achieved. In between. If it's a bit difficult, because I know, because kuna siasa mahali, I will find a way of reporting back directly. Nitakuja hapo, niitane hapo Mwendanto ama Kinoru, niseme this is where we are, lakini kuna annual review at the end of the year. I'll find a way of reporting back, but I would like ideas during the break. If we can have a small team, non-political, and please don't try me, musinijaribu. Ukileta utoto, nitapita na wewe. Yeah. Yeah. I am a man on a mission. Yeah, I know what this country and this administration is expected to achieve, and we don't have time. Mimi mwenyewe sileti personal issues. Kwa nini uniletee personal issues zako? Yeah. So if there is a way we can have a smaller committee of people who are not here to discuss another leader, that is not the agenda,